Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can overlay a video on CapCut Mobile. So here I've already added a video into my CapCut. So this is a video for the main track. And to overlay the video, you can just click on the overlay button in here. Then just select the overlay that you want to add. So for example, here I'm going to add uh this black overlay. Click on add. So don't forget to fit the size until it cover all of your videos like this if it has a different size, and after that use the splice or blend to make or to blend the two videos together. So you can choose the mode, or you can lower or adjust the intensity to your liking. Okay guys, so that's a very simple tutorial, but I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.